Welcome to Qipeng UV Charging Cabinet, storage and charging management of mobile devices. The frame is handled with precise rounded corners, which is safe and beautiful. The universal pulley brake system can quickly fix the charging cabinet. ABS flame retardant material for separator. Fuselage sheet metal thickness 1.2 millimeters. Equipped with short-circuit protection system. Plug in the power cord for the first step. The second step is to open the door and pull out the drawer to place the device. Plug in the USB connection and start charging. The third step is to close the door and lock it with a key. Charging cabinet with timing setting and disinfection. The cabinet is equipped with a gate switch, mobile remote switch operation function, Qipeng UV charging cabinet, smart housekeeper of your mobile device.